Now the latest on the trial of Dr. William Husel. Today, a Mount Carmel doctor testified how his ordered drugs differed from Husel's orders.
It was day 4 of testimony in the trial of the former Mount Carmel doctor accused of killing his patients. Chief investigative reporter Bennett Haberly joins us now live with an update. Bennett?
Mount Carmel critical care doctor Saad Hagras testified about his experiences removing breathing tubes from critically ill patients, not using fentanyl but relying on other drugs. In the meantime, Husel's legal defense team spent time exploring themes of how doctors' opinions and expertise can vary. Dr. Saad Hagras works at Mount Carmel. He testified virtually that during his time in the intensive care unit, he had experiences removing ventilators from critically ill patients who were near death. But Hagras said he preferred to use doses of the painkiller morphine and the sedative Versed and not fentanyl. He was asked by prosecutors why he didn't give his patients one large dose.
So I didn't have any indication or need in my practice to go beyond these doses.
Hagras said he never used 1,000 micrograms of fentanyl. Prosecutors allege Husel's orders hastened the deaths of these 14 patients and that his dosages of fentanyl were 6 to 20 times higher than Mount Carmel's recommended dose for another painkiller, morphine. On cross-examination, defense attorney Jose Baez asked Hagras about a number of procedures, from how the pharmacy approved drugs to how doctors interact with families of patients being taken off life support.
Judging doctor by doctor, I don't think, this is fair.
And you don't think it's fair because each doctor's experiences are also different, right?
Yes.
Okay. And that's because so much of medicine is patient-specific, right?
Husel's defense team says he was providing comfort care to patients and did not intend to accelerate their deaths. Additional patient cases were brought up today, including care for Beverly Schertzinger, but jurors were told to forget about this exchange.
He did what is called 4 rounds of CPR. Is that correct?
Yes.
Before she finally had her heartbeat and a pulse returned. Correct?
Correct. Yes.
This is considered a life-saving measure?
Yes.
In fact,
Now, the judge went on to say that the jury should disregard that question and answer. It's not clear why it was stricken, but 10 Investigates' review of court records found that Schertzinger is one of 5 patients identified by the hospital as among those whose conditions could have improved with additional medical care. In addition, we found that Schertzinger is one of 3 patients still included in this murder case. Reporting live inside the courthouse tonight, Bennett Haberly, 10 TV News.
Bennett, thank you. We are monitoring what happens in court throughout this entire trial. To track our coverage, you can head to our website, 10tv.com.
All right.